Hey, Mike and Douglas. My name is Lee Terbianic, and I was doing some research in your area and came across your website, so I figured I'd shoot you this quick video to show you 3 things that you could do today to beat out your competition in Reno and bring in more business to your company. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear and become more interested on how I can help you, just give me a call and we can chat. So let's get started. The first thing that I want to talk about is content, and there's 3 major things that I want to cover, and that's content, citations, and backlinks. So content. Now, when I say content, I mean anything that is on your homepage here in writing. And Google likes to see 1,500 words on a homepage, and that's so you could fit these very important keywords throughout and tell Google what you want to rank for. So, and that also makes you an authority. You got to think Google is just a crawling website, and all it can do is read. So, if you don't have enough information for your clients to be able to come to your site and, kind of find out information about any questions they may have or what services you offer, they're not going to rank you high enough because you don't have enough info to tell them. So that's the first thing. Just looking at your site, you do have some content here, some there, maybe 200 words. Now, I just did a search for plumber Reno NV, and as we scroll down to the organic, this IHS plumbing is in first place down here. So what I want to do is, oops, let me get rid of that. So what I want to do is see what kind of content they have. So as we go to their website, we scroll down, they have a little bit of content here, a little bit of content there, some more here, maybe 300 to 400 words on their homepage. So if you were to go get that 1,500 of keyword-rich content, you would already be beating them in that aspect. Now, let's go back to this plumber Reno, Nevada search. I'm going to break down Google for you. Google's broke down into 3 sections on their homepage. Whenever you look for something, there's usually 3 sections for it. And this top section is always your Google ads. Now, these are the new type of ads, and it's called the Google Guarantee. And this you only get charged if you get a phone call, whereas the old pay-per-clicks ads, you might get charged, $20 per click and never get a single phone call. With this, you only get charged if your phone rings. And if your phone's ringing, you're probably going to sell the job, or at least get an estimate out of it and get some sort of business from it. And it's fairly easy to start up too. You just set it up and you do a background check and a business license check, and boom, you're advertised right at the top. And as you guys know, the more traffic, the better. So, but that's not a necessary option, and that's a way to get fast business. I really like focusing on this organic sections, and that's this middle section here, which is the GMB section, and then the organic section down here, which is dealing with your website. But let's talk about this GMB. And as you can see, I just did the same search, Plumber Reno, Nevada. You guys are showing up in second place, so you're probably getting the majority of your traffic for this keyword from here because you're not showing up on the first page down here. So, and how you get up into the first position for this is by citations. And a citation is your business name, the address, and phone number listed in directories across the web and across your area. The more of those, the better. And directories are like MapQuest, Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, Facebook, YouTube's even one of them. They all are citation sources. And you got to think, the more that Joe Schmo had, or say Joe Schmo only had 1 citation with MapQuest, they're not going to put him up here. They're going to put the guy who has, 50 or 100 citation sources and his name is everywhere and he's a reputable business. So I would suggest going to get 100 to 200 or more of those for your business, and you'll get up in this first place. But just because you're ranking in the second place for this keyword doesn't mean you'll rank there for, say, plumbing company Reno, Nevada. So that's another thing to think about too, and we could talk about. Now, this third section, this is the most important, and a lot of the traffic comes from this organic section down here. Now, as you can see, IHS Plumbing is in first place, and you're probably wondering, well, how the heck do I get there? Backlinks. A backlink is when another website links back to your website, and every backlink Google considers votes, but the relevant backlinks are what you want. You wouldn't want backlinks from, say, like Pizza Hut linking back to you, because you guys don't sling pizzas for a living. You're a plumbing company. You want other plumbing company linking back to you, or maybe a blog written about sewer cleaning or drain cleaning that has a word that you could click on and it brings you to your website. That is a backlink, and that would provide and transfer power. Now, I have another tool I use called Ahrefs, and this is going to show me an overview of your site, the stats, the traffic, and what keywords you're ranking for. So I plugged in your city or your site up here, and it's showing me you have a 34 and a 6. So this UR is the overall trust of your site, and this DR is the overall strength of your backlink profile. Now you have a lot of backlinks and you only have a 6 DR. That's telling me that most of your links aren't powerful and that they're spammy and unrelevant to what you do. So if you're having somebody do this, I don't suggest it because it's not doing anything for your business, and also it's not giving you any power to rank for traffic. And let's see what you are ranking for at the moment. So most of your traffic at the moment is coming for people looking directly for you. Now this is going to show me the keyword, how many times that's being searched each month, and then the traffic, and then the position that you're in for that keyword. So we don't want to focus on the people looking directly for you because we know you're going to get that business. We want to focus on the people that would type plumber Reno, Nevada, who don't know a plumber, or plumbing company Reno, or plumbers in Nevada, or plumbers in Reno. So as we go down through your keywords, you do have some, but you're not ranking on the first page. So here's one: plumbers in Reno. Now we know that's this keyword is directly for your niche and in your area, and that's being typed 100 times. As you can see, the volume, represents a monthly number. So every month there's 100 people at least typing plumbers in Reno. We know that. So that's why it's important to have that 1,500 words. So you can plug these in on your homepage and start getting power to them, and then all of a sudden you're going to start gaining positions. So 100 searches for that. Plumbing Reno, 100. Plumber Reno, 200, but you're in the 27th position, 24th position. That's the third page. Positions 1 through 10 is on the first page. 11 through 20, second page. 20 through 30, third page. So no one ever goes to the third page when they're looking for anything. They're going to stay right here on this first page. They're going to click here, they're going to click here, or go right here. So we got to get you up there. You're already ranking for these keywords. You just need SEO done to power these keywords to get you gaining positions. Now let's look at your competitor and see what the difference is. So as we go back, you were getting about 40 traffic a month. You had a 34 and a 6. 40 traffic. Now let's look at the guy who is in first place, IHS Plumbing. IHS Plumbing, 24 and a 14. Look at his traffic, 593. He has almost 600 people coming to his site. That's almost, let's say he closed half of those people coming and they filled out a form or called. That's 300 jobs he's getting from his site versus your 40 traffic by not doing that. Your numbers aren't bad. You just need some better backlinks and you would blow him out of the water. And I have access to very powerful backlinks that boost this number up almost immediately. So we would gain traction and your numbers would start looking like this. This goes to show you, look, he only has 1,000 backlinks and he has a 14. You have 2,034 and you have a 6. So that goes to show the importance of the quality of your backlinks. But let's see what his keywords look like and what kind of traffic he's getting, because he's probably on the first page for a lot of them. So let's see what it looks like for you if you were to beat him out and get there. Plumbing Reno, look at 100. He's in first position, 42 out of the 100 he's getting to his site. Plumbers Reno, 250 people typing Plumbers Reno. 35, he's in second. Gas leak repair Reno, 80. 30 traffic coming, he's in first. Reno Plumber, 200. Plumber Reno, 200. Plumbing Reno, Nevada, 150. You guys are sitting on a gold mine and you just need some SEO done and you would take over this whole plumber in Reno keywords, all of them, and you guys would flip-flop your business upside down, raking in tons of business. I'd love to talk with you guys more. Here's an example of a couple sites that I redid for a business out in. This is Los Angeles, Woodland Hills, so we're beating out major companies in Los Angeles with my links. And it's all just by building your site out right and powering it. So look at, here's his main keyword, plumber, Woodland Hills. So we want that in a heading, Woodland Hills Plumber. In the text, Woodland Hills Plumber. You're telling Google what you want to be found for. Here's another website that we just built for a plumber in New Jersey, Rahway, New Jersey. As this reloads, you'll get to see the full effect. Beautiful sites. Again, plumbing services in Rahway. Plumbers in Rahway, New Jersey. Beautiful sites that represent their businesses. People have no issue looking at this and saying, yeah, this is the guy I want to come to my house and do work on my business. So once again, it'd be 10 times better if you just gave me a call and we could chat about this. My name is Lee. Again, first things first, 1,500 words so we could fit those keywords. Second thing was citations for your GMB. Third thing was backlinks, more relevant backlinks pointing back to your website to give you power, start coming up in the rankings for your keywords, and getting up in first place and bringing in this type of traffic rather than what you have. The 40 traffic you're getting, you could be getting almost 600. So I'm here. Feel free to reach out whenever. 570-240-5257. Thank you for watching.